My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Dump Locker. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I'll just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be really easily injected into the device. So this is what it does. It changes the desktop background and it encrypts the files, so it is then impossible to use the files anymore because of this dump locker ransomware. The ransomware then tells the victims that they also need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting your data restored. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. If you have discovered that your files have been indeed encrypted by this dump locker ransomware, of course you need to undertake the urgent measures to get your browser absolutely and duly fixed. I recommend that you scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and as soon as it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner would be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on this start scan button, and then the software will begin scanning, researching and investigating your system. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching and investigating the computer. It has got anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.